Hi guys, I'm Annabelle Knight and you're watching the Lovehoney YouTube channel, the place where we talk about sex and sex toys so that when you shop at the Lovehoney website, you know what the heck you're doing. This week's video is called Sex Toys Aren't Just for Vaginas. Before we dive into that, I just need to remind you that if you never want to miss another video again, you're gonna need to click that subscribe button. So, believe it or not, a lot of people still think sex toys are just for people with a vagina. Now, I cannot stress to you how untrue that is. There are thousands of different products available for those of you out there that own a penis. It is an ever-growing market and there are loads of different products to choose from. I have chosen my favorite 4 toys for people with a penis to showcase to you today. So first up, the Enjoy Metal Wand. Now, a lot of people will look at this and go, well, that's a metal dildo that goes into a vagina. But thanks to its double-endedness, it can also go into an anus. And who has an anus? Everybody, including those people with a penis. So there's absolutely no reason why you couldn't take this metal dildo and use it as an anal toy. It even has an amazing curve, which will be fantastic for P-spot stimulation. Now, with anything going up your bum, it's really important to use lubricant. And because this toy is metal, you can use any type of anal lube that you like. It's also important to give it a clean. If it's been up your bum, it needs to be nice and hygienic for the next time you use it. So rinse it in warm soapy water, leave it to air dry, then store it somewhere nice and safe for next time. Now this is the Lovehoney Bionic Bullet. Traditionally, you may be forgiven for thinking this is a couple's toy. It is, but it's also great for jazzing up masturbation sessions. It's got 5 different functions to choose from and has this twin silicone ring feature. So you can pop both rings down to the base of the penis if you like, or you can use the bigger one behind the testicles. Now this is fantastic for adding extra sensation during masturbation because it vibrates. It also has these lovely nodules for extra contact. Now you can wear this whichever way round you like. If you fancy a little bit of perineum stimulation, just switch it round. If not, wear this on the top of your penis. Again, lube is really important, so good quality water-based lube with this toy. We're journeying to the back door again. This is the Curve Cruiser from Lovehoney. It is an absolutely amazing anal toy. It has been specially designed and ergonomically shaped to fit the P-spot owner's form perfectly. It has a curved shaft, which is actually quite flexible, so this is really comfortable to wear. It has undulating waves and this lovely rounded yet tapered tip here. So that is amazing for seeking out your P-spot and delivering perfect, precise pleasure. It also has a little arm that comes out, and that is for perineum stimulation. On the base, you'll find a little button, and that controls the different settings to the bullet inside. Now, the bullet is actually removable, so you can take it out and use it on other erogenous zones like your nipples while you wear this as a static toy. Again, I know I've said it before and I'll say it again, lube is really important if something is going up your bum because the anus is not self-lubricating. You're gonna need a good quality water-based anal lube to use with the Curve Cruiser. And finally, we have a luxury masturbator to finish with. This is the Arcwave. It's an absolutely fantastic toy that works on suction, pleasure air technology and vibration. It has a hard case that doubles as a handle, and on that you have your controls. Now this is also a really quiet toy, so it's nice and discreet as well. On the other side, we have this very flexible, very squidgy silicone sleeve, and inside the silicone sleeve, I don't know if you can see this, but it's heavily ridged, so that's going to feel fantastic. And about 2/3 of the way up, there's a little hole that emits a nice fluttery light suction to the tip of your penis. So this toy is absolutely amazing for experiencing a whole range of sensations. Now it's really important you look after your luxury sex toys, and that means using the right type of lubricant. So in this case, it's a good quality water-based lube, and also giving it a clean with sex toy cleaner after each and every use, so it's nice and hygienic, ready for the next time you want to use it. By looking after your luxury toys, they'll last longer and serve you better. So there you have it. Sex toys aren't just for vaginas, there are loads for people with a penis as well. If you have anything you'd like to add, perhaps I missed off your favourite toy, please pop your comments in the box below. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up. If you never want to miss another video ever again, hit that subscribe button. For notifications, click the bell, and if you just can't wait till next week for another video, then don't worry, because there's one coming up right now. Thank you so much for watching. I've been Annabelle Knight, and you've been watching the Lovehoney YouTube channel. Bye!